You probably have everything you need for this tip already in your makeup kit. The only thing you have to do is change this one thing. This tip has everything to do with blush, and it's life-changing. Well, life-changing may be a little dramatic, but I'm telling you, it is so good. And because everybody always wants to know, well, what did you do right before that? I'm going to walk you through those steps. Everything that I'm going to use on screen will be listed down in the description below. So I'm going to start with this blurring and smoothing primer. While my primer sets up, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. For foundation today, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 32 Hour. I love this. My color is 415. I love that it has an SPF of 25. And if you've been here before, you know I'm going to add it on my hand and pick it up from there. And I don't apply foundation directly below my eyes. Next, I'm going to apply color corrector. This is one of my favorite color correctors, and it's the Color Correcting Duo from Sigma Beauty. Now it's time for blush, and what I'm going to use today is the Cream and Powder palette from Catrice. These are $7. When I use my concealer is also from Catrice, and I have a discount on their website. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go in with the cream blush first. And I'm adding this from my pupils over. I'm going to go a little over the bridge of my nose, but really concentrating up high and from the pupils over. And I am applying the blush before concealer. Now I'm going to add my concealer, and I'm using the Catrice True Skin High Cover Concealer. If you haven't already guessed, here's the genius of this tip. Cream blush has been applied, so now I have a beautiful, youthful, healthy glow to my skin. Now I don't have to try so hard with my concealer versus what we're normally conditioned to do. We apply foundation, and then maybe you apply color corrector, then concealer with a blank slate. Now we have to apply all of the color, right? We have to create a beautiful, youthful glow to our skin. I already have the youthful color and glow to my skin. Now I'm not going to work so hard with the concealer, and it will look so much prettier, so much more youthful, so much more my skin, but better. I just worked the concealer around the cream blush. I still have a healthy flush to my skin. Let me go ahead and finish most of the rest of my makeup, and we'll come back and look and see, do we need to add any powder blush or not? What do you think? First of all, I love this. I have not added any more blush than what you saw me apply. I just finished the rest of my makeup. I just think this method of cream blush and then concealer just gives such a youthful look. Your skin, but better. It doesn't look like you're trying so hard. You could also achieve this same look with powder blush. Here's how I would do it. Apply your powder blush where you normally would, but just a little bit more. Then when you apply your concealer, it will tone it down just a little bit. Finish the rest of your makeup like I did. Stand back and see what it looks like. I just love this look. I just think it's so pretty and feminine and youthful. If I want to go back and add a little bit more powder blush close to my eye and the bridge of my nose and call it a day. Tell me what you think. And if you like super simple makeup tips like this, watch this video next. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.